A chicken?
I can hold that for you.
Thank you, baby. Princess, take it easy.
That's for yours.
What are they, Athena?
Yeah.
Chickens?
Chicken. There you go.
Oh no, no more food for chicken. Good job. Did you want to go in there?
Yeah. Let's go in it. Let's go in it.
Okay, but stay right here and say hi to the chickens, but don't chase them.
Hi, Chicky.
Not chicken, chicken.
Come on.
Chicky.
Come on, Chicky.
Go, baby. See, they're scared.
Oh, you touched one. You touched one. Catch it? I'm touching.
Oh,
Bye.
All gone.
I can go.
Hey, Athena, go pet the black one. Pet that black one.
Athena, look.
Hey, Athena, get one and then bring home.
Athena.
Look, Athena, you can get that one. Don't scare her away. Let Athena try. Wait. Oh, that's an onion. You don't need that.
Athena.
Want to pet? Let her take it. Gotta be fast. Gotta be fast. She's like, oh my god. That's okay. How many chicken you have, Tosh?
22.
Wow.
22? That's almost like how many class? 20. I need to go. I want to go inside.
Take it easy, okay?
Are you done?
Chappy, chappy.